So as we do this cooking series and baking series and dough series at home, some of you might not want to put in that much effort, but have some fun still with making some pizza at home. For instance, your kids might want to make some pizza at home. So we've created a product that I think is great for that. Some people are selling just dough balls to go so that you stretch it, you flour it appropriately, you oil it appropriately, and you add your ingredients, which is great. And we might do some of that as well. But I think we found a simpler formula that comes out with a better product. And that is that we're going to give you a par-baked crust shell, for lack of a better word, where it's partially cooked for you, it's stretched for you. And we're gonna give you the ingredients on the side. And all you have to do, or your kids, or someone else that just wants to have some fun with this, is apply the toppings, and then you just simply put it in your oven. You preheat your oven for 450 degrees, and you bake it in your oven from anywhere to like 12 to 18 minutes, depending on how hot your oven gets. Different ovens have different temperature settings, as well as how well done or not so well done you like your pizza. So this is a really cool product and something simple that you can do at home if you really don't want to go through the whole effort and process of making the actual pizza dough itself, which can get a little messy, to be honest with you. So check this out. So what do we do for you? The first thing we do is simply just stretch the dough. I know that seems simple, but for some that can be pretty hard, and that can be one of the areas where we kind of go wrong at home, and it can be very frustrating if we don't get that part right. The second thing we're going to do is simply fire this in our wood-fired oven. Not a lot of us have these wood-fired ovens at home, but if you want to get that kind of authentic flavor and taste, we start that process for you by firing in our oven for about a minute or 2 minutes. After we pull it out of our oven, we let it sit for a minute, we let it cool down. It gets a nice, sturdy base for what you will do at home. We then provide you with the toppings. In this case, we're doing a simple, classic pizza, which will have fresh mozzarella, shredded mozzarella, and our house-made pizza sauce. You will take this, take it home, apply the toppings, put it right in your oven. And after about 15 minutes or so, you will have a very, very tasty pizza that you and your family and or your children have made at home.